In a land where almond trees cannot naturally survive, farmers have created a new way to grow this precious crop through advanced greenhouse farming.
Here, farming is more than work. It is a tradition passed from one generation to another.
Inside this controlled environment, every drop of water and every ray of sunlight is carefully managed.
Before a single almond tree grows, the foundation of life must be carefully prepared.
Every premium almond begins with a small seed and years of patience.
After days of waiting, the first signs of life appear. A tiny sprout begins the journey toward becoming a valuable almond tree.
At this early stage, every plant requires careful attention and gentle care.
Traditional farming knowledge combines with modern greenhouse technology to create healthier crops.
Healthy roots create strong trees. Every nutrient is carefully delivered to support growth.
And a warm climate. Precise water management is the key to successful almond farming.
Farmers protect the plants using careful methods while keeping the almonds healthy and natural.
Weeks turn into months, and small plants slowly transform into young almond trees.
Every branch is carefully shaped to help the tree produce better quality almonds.
A controlled environment creates the perfect balance between technology and nature.
Before the almond appears, the tree gives birth to beautiful flowers that begin the next stage of growth.
Pollination is one of the most important moments in the life of an almond tree. Slowly, the flowers transform into young almonds, growing under careful protection.
Careful selection helps produce only premium quality almonds.
Months of patience finally bring the almonds closer to harvest.
Before harvesting begins, every almond is checked for quality. Before harvesting begins, every almond is checked for quality. The harvest season arrives, bringing months of hard work to completion.
Premium almonds are carefully harvested by human hands to preserve their natural quality.
Natural drying helps develop the rich flavor needed for luxury chocolate production. Only the best almonds will continue their journey toward becoming an expensive luxury chocolate. From a warm climate greenhouse farm, these precious almonds begin their next journey toward a world-class luxury chocolate factory.
After months of careful farming, the premium almonds begin their journey toward a world-class chocolate factory.
Every almond carries the story of the land where it was grown.
At this advanced facility, traditional ingredients meet modern chocolate craftsmanship.
The first step inside the factory is careful inspection of every batch.
Only the finest almonds are selected for luxury chocolate production.
Before entering the chocolate line, every almond goes through a detailed cleaning process. Roasting unlocks the deep flavor and natural aroma hidden inside each almond.
After roasting, the almonds are carefully cooled before becoming part of the chocolate.
Only the finest almonds are selected for luxury chocolate production.
Before entering the chocolate line, every almond goes through a detailed cleaning process.
Roasting unlocks the deep flavor and natural aroma hidden inside each almond.
After roasting, The almonds are carefully cooled before becoming part of the chocolate.
The second essential ingredient arrives: carefully selected cocoa beans.
Through precise processing, cocoa transforms into the smooth chocolate base.
Inside these temperature-controlled rooms, chocolate reaches the perfect texture.
Precision and patience create the signature smoothness of premium chocolate. The mountain-grown almonds finally meet the rich chocolate they were destined for. Refining creates the smooth texture expected from luxury chocolate brands.
Each piece is carefully shaped into a perfect luxury creation. Controlled cooling gives the chocolate its perfect finish and texture. Before reaching customers, every chocolate piece must pass strict quality checks.
Even in a modern factory, human attention remains an important part of premium production.
A luxury product deserves a luxury presentation.
Designed for special occasions, these chocolates represent elegance and craftsmanship.
A journey that began with a small almond seed has now become a masterpiece of chocolate.
From the factory floor, the chocolates are prepared for the world. From this factory, the taste of mountain-grown almonds travels across continents.
A simple almond from a greenhouse farm becomes a luxury experience enjoyed worldwide. From seed to harvest, from farm to factory, every piece of this chocolate carries a story of dedication, nature, and human craftsmanship.
Every box tells a story of dedication, craftsmanship, and the finest almonds grown with care. Each gift is carefully prepared to create a memorable experience before it is even opened.
The greatest luxury is not chocolate itself. It is the happiness of sharing it with someone special.
From one greenhouse farm to the world's finest stores, every journey begins with a single almond.
Luxury becomes meaningful when it brings people together.
Every ending marks the beginning of another growing season, where nature and human dedication work together once again. From a tiny almond seed to a gift shared across the world, every piece carries the story of nature,